Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook page name can be changed with one click. So if ever you have encountered this kind of problem and you have tried a lot of method and then still those method didn't work, then I'm going to show you this method and I do really hope that it will help you. So all you have to do is to simply download this. I'm going to include this in the description down below. And after you have downloaded this, you have to extract this file. Tap this folder right here and then extract this file. And this one should be the result. Now go to your extensions and then drag the folder here. Then you should toggle on this developer mode. Now what you're going to do, this is what it looks like. What you're going to do now is you have to go back to your Facebook page and then paste that URL here. So in case you encounter this problem that you want to change your Facebook name. So enter your URL, enter the name of your Facebook page, enter the new name that you want for your Facebook page, and then post a link here. It could be video or image that you have posted from that Facebook page. And then reason for request. So you have to enter the reason why you want to change your Facebook page name and why you encounter this problem if you know. And then after you have entered the reason, and then after that, click this choose file and then attach the image of your or the picture of your Facebook page. And then after that, click start and then wait for this progress information till it reaches 100%. Go back to your page and then reload or refresh. However, if this one didn't work, because I think in some of the region, this one doesn't work, then you can just simply go to your Facebook page settings and then try to change your name again. And you can also try to report a problem in case that this method didn't work. So you can address the specific concern and then report this problem, wait for the customer service to respond and help you with this concern. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.